In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem an Apple gift card here on your iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and I can help you out further. I'm going to do my best to respond to every single comment. If you do have a physical card, obviously make sure that you do open up that packaging and peel off that strip on the back to reveal your code. However, if it is a digital card, just make sure that you have that code ready. But essentially, in order to do this, you just need to open up that App Store on your iPhone and tap on your profile icon up in the very top right corner. And from here, you just want to scroll down just a little bit and you're going to see an option to redeem gift card or code. Go ahead and select redeem gift card just like so, and it's going to bring you to a page that looks something like this. Now you can either scan the code with your camera or just tap enter code manually and type it in, and once you do have that code entered in, the balance is going to automatically be added to your Apple ID so you can use it for apps, subscriptions, or other Apple purchases. Or, in my opinion, the best way to use it is put it on Prize Picks and run it up as a parlay. But I'm going to wrap this guide up here. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.